I'm going to show y'all 4 different wig styles that you can rock with this yaki straight glueless bob wig. I've got another yaki straight bob wig install for you guys, but today I'm going to be showing you how I created 4 different styles with this bob wig. I know when you're wearing shorter hair like a bob wig, you think the only wig style you can do is a middle parting, side parting, or something of that sort, but you can still rock other hairstyles with this wig style. And I'm just going to show you a couple of options. There's definitely many more styles that you could rock with this bob wig. I want to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So this is UNice Glueless Byebyeknots lace closure wig. It is a bob wig and it is 12 inches long. She feels really nice. She's soft, super cute for the summer. I have been obsessed with shorter wig styles this summer. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this glueless bob wig today, as well as styled it in 4 different hairstyles, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from UNice Hair. Here's what the packaging looks like. Love it. I absolutely love pink. So yeah, it's just super cute. The wig comes with 2 HD wig caps. Ooh, these are cute. It comes with these press-on nails and also this elastic melting band. So here is a close-up of the wig. It does come with a 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure. It has Byebyeknots on it, which just means it has tiny knots and they are bleached. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The lace has already been pre-cut and it is ready to wear. It is styled already in this parting. As you can see, this is a bob wig. She is super cute. And this wig is 12 inches long, y'all. And then here is the inside of the cap. It does have a wig comb in the back here, and it has an adjustable strap on the back. This wig also has a removable elastic band strap that has silicone gripping around it for glueless wear. The wig also has a C-shaped wig design, so you can wear this wig easily behind your ears. Also in the back of the wig, it has 8 marks here for you to adjust the wig to your head size. So if you have a smaller head shape, you definitely can still rock this bad boy with no problem. So I added my foundation underneath the lace so it would blend in flawlessly once I install the wig. Let's go ahead and see what this bad boy is looking like. So because of the way my hairline naturally is, I'm going to go ahead and remove a little bit of extra lace here in the middle so it can sit nice and seamlessly with my hairline. If your hairline is not shaped like mine, you do not have to do this step. So you can go ahead and rock it in a middle parting like right here. I'm going to go ahead and just take my flat iron and run it through the hair, just to make sure that any kinks are out of the hair. I really like this length on a bob on me. This is 12 inches and it's like the perfect length for me. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb and go over this parting area just to make sure it's nice and sleek. It's already pretty flat, to be honest. So here is style 1, y'all. This wig styled in a middle parting. It is super sleek and cute in a middle parting. So next we're gonna do a side parting. Style number 2. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this edge stick just to reset the parting. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and just use it to flatten out this new part. I'm gonna go ahead and just refresh the hair in the side parting. And here is style number 2. I think this wig is really cute in a side parting. Let me know what y'all think. So of course you don't have to apply any tape or glue with this wig. It is completely glueless, as you can see. So next we're gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just gonna take out a little piece in the front here. These are gonna be the bangs in the front. And then we're gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my edge stick Then I'm gonna take this brush and brush the hair back. Let's throw this baby in a ponytail. So next we're gonna do the bangs. I'm just gonna do a parting right down the middle. Then I'm gonna take my flat iron and just bump it. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. So here is hairstyle number 3, y'all. Super cute, half up, half down hairstyle. So now we're gonna turn this into a 4th hairstyle. So I'm just going to take this hair around the ponytail and wrap it around. And then I'm going to pin it in the back here, just with a hair clip. And then I'm just going to braid the front of the hair right here. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. Flat iron and curl the bottom of the hair. And that's it, y'all. 4 different hairstyles with this cute bob wig. This wig is super cute. I'm gonna be rocking it in a middle parting today, but y'all already saw the different styling options that you have with this wig. Just because it's a shorter bob wig does not mean you have to rock it down, even though it does look really cute in this hairstyle.